Hello everyone. We are going to see binding energy of a satellite moving around the Earth. Here in this case, we will see when a satellite of mass m revolves around the Earth, h height above from the Earth's surface. Here in this calculation, this height h is very less in comparison to the radius of Earth re. This total height is here small r represented. It is re plus h we know. And we want to see what is the binding energy, because once a satellite revolves around this, it revolves around the Earth for an infinite time. So why it is, what is the binding energy of it, and its concept we are going to see. Before know the binding energy, first of all we want to calculate total energy of revolving satellite. We know total energy is sum of gravitational potential energy plus kinetic energy. Clear? Gravitational potential energy is denoted by U and it is given by formula minus G me m by r, where m is the mass of Earth, and it is represented by equation number 1. This is a total potential energy of orbiting satellite around the Earth, is given by this formula. We know this is. Now we want to see the formula for kinetic energy of satellite. This kinetic energy of a satellite is by normal formula of m VO square, where VO is velocity of a satellite, orbital velocity of a satellite, right? But here see very carefully in this case, a satellite near to Earth surface is given by formula, this is orbital velocity V naught is given by formula under root GME by R. So now we are going to place this value in here, the formula of kinetic energy. So kinetic energy equation formula is a changes. Kinetic energy is equal to half m. So when we make a square of this, under root gone, GME by R. Or one may write this formula is kinetic energy is equal to capital G me m by 2r. If you are able to calculate potential energy and kinetic energy of the revolving satellite, then total energy of satellite can be written by this formula: kinetic potential energy, gravitational potential energy, that is by equation number 1. See here in it, minus G m by r plus kinetic energy capital G me m by 2r. See here in the formula, this kinetic energy is half of the potential energy here in numerical value in this equation, and by solving one may write total energy is minus GMEM by R, and it is represented by this equation number 4 here. Now see, this is a formula in which the total energy is dependent on capital G, it is constant, mass of earth constant, satellite mass can be vary, and its distance from the earth. So here are the normally mass of the satellite, and the distance is responsible for the total energy of a satellite. And this total energy is always negative. So it is important point in this. And this formula is calculated. See in the diagram, this equation for this total energy formula is calculated by taking this under consideration that satellite orbit is circular motion. Circular motion means what? When it is complete circular motion, then total energy at any point on the path of a satellite remains constant, and it is in negative value. For circular motion, total energy is constant and negative in sign. This is important. Very important point is this. If we take in place of circular, see here, elliptical orbit. If it's revolving elliptical orbit, total energy is variable. Why it is variable? It is due to change. It is dependent on distance. Due to change the radius, distance of a satellite from the earth, if it changes, then it is a variable. Total energy is a variable, but always negative. So these 2 points is a very common here in the, while we are going to calculate the total energy, right? But our topic is to calculate the binding energy of the revolving satellite, orbiting satellite. But see one more thing. When satellite moves away from this, here, binding energy, it's increases. This total energy increases. The total energy of a satellite at infinity is either 0 or positive. The same thing is here. The total energy of body is positive or 0 when it is at infinite from the earth. We want to see in different angle this statement. What is the different angle to understand it? The satellite will escape to infinity if its total energy ET is either 0 or positive. So if in place of being a negative energy here total, if energy this is a total at infinity or takes infinity, in that condition satellite will leave the earth orbit and will go to the infinite, right? Now we are going to see the concept of binding energy. Energy of satellite, which is today's topic. Now see carefully the two facts we obtained. When the satellite revolve around this, is total energy remains conserved and it is in negative value. That is given by question number 4 here. But binding energy concept is a main topic here. If you want to remove this satellite revolving around the earth and to send it infinity, then whatever energy is required, that is called the binding energy. And it is equal to the total mechanical energy, total energy of the satellite revolving in a positive value. And the same thing is given here. The binding energy of a satellite is defined as the energy required to remove the satellite from the orbit and to send where? Infinity. This is the binding energy. Now, so we may write binding energy is equal to positive value total energy of a satellite. So this can be written as, so in positive value, capital G ME M by R. This is a formula. When this amount of energy is given to the moving, revolving satellite around the earth, then it will go to infinity. So it is called binding energy. This is for the concept of binding energy.